What's up, everybody? Ian here with Redline. Got another weekly update on Project Redline, my 67 Nova two-door hardtop build. Show you what I'm working on this week. If we have a look down here at the door jamb, the passenger side door jamb, you'll notice that there's a giant hole here where I can stick my fingers through. Shouldn't be able to, but I damn sure can. So I'm working on repairing all of this stuff. On the opposite side, it was actually worse than what you have here, and I could actually put my fingers practically through the car and into the interior. So same thing over on the other side, and I have done quite a bit of repair over here already. If we have a look at this side here, you'll notice that I've completely refabricated a new piece right here that is the outside piece. I've fabricated another piece up in here. There's actually several more pieces on the inside that you can't even see. If we have a look inside the car, hopefully it's light enough that you can see what we got there. I have fabricated a piece on the inside of the car there as well. There were a couple pieces on the inside you can't even see that I went ahead and made just because I figured, you know, they had some structural value to them. This is the piece that I originally cut out. See if you can see that. That's the carnage that I started off working with, and it was literally, you know, it was inside the car right here, so that's what I had to cut out. The reason that you're seeing all of this is GM, in their infinite wisdom in the 60s, decided to use this spray foam stuff to go in between all of the panels. And I don't necessarily know what it did or why, but I can tell you what it unfortunately did that they didn't want to happen. It held moisture. It holds moisture everywhere that you find that spray foam stuff. You should expect to find metal where it's just gone. So next thing that I've got to do on this side here, this is a section of the firewall here that I've cut out, and you can kind of see little holes up in there. Let's see here. Can you see the light shining through? Right there, exactly. So more rusted metal right here. This piece, try and move my camera, goes down just like that right there. All of that has to be completely refabricated from scratch. I've already done that on the other side, and I'll kind of show you what I did. From about here down, all of this was fabricated from scratch, this panel and everything. And then after I did that, I then fabbed from about here down and completely made this panel as well. You can see that I used my bead roller to put a seam in it right there to kind of match up with that. And then naturally, of course, I had to use my shrinker stretcher in order to make this piece, you know, do that turn. So that is what is up next to try and finish repairing the driver's side of the car. And then after that, have a look here at the cowl. I get to start trying to repair everything that you can see there that is missing from the front lower cowl. So still just repairing rust like crazy. The amount of pieces of rust that I have is just getting crazy. Have a look at this box of parts here. So you can see just literally gaining a collection of small parts that are just rusted all the way through. And that's just the little ones. The big ones are outside my shop. I think maybe I'm going to give these things to an artist in the family when I'm done and maybe see if she can build me a dinosaur with them or something. I don't know, but I'm keeping that stuff just because, I don't know, it's kind of shows where you've come from. So anyways, that's our 67 Nova update build for the week. Next week I'm hoping to have something to show you guys where this is no longer a great big open space. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Click the subscribe button down below. Appreciate you watching.